My name is Brett. I run the product development team at iFixit, and we're showing you today the FixHub Power Series Portable Soldering Toolkit. Let's take a look. So this is everything you would need to accomplish just about any through-hole soldering, as well as wire-to-wire and a majority of surface mount soldering repairs. The crux of it is the FixHub Power Series Portable Soldering Station, power station, soldering iron, and USB cable. All the connections are done by USB. It's 100 watts from the power station to the soldering iron. It'll get hot from room temperature, ready to go in less than 5 seconds. Here we go. And now we're at 350.
That's so cool.